Hello everyone, this is Pamper Chew, and today I got a lead in water test kit. Um, they sent a note card. I filled out my information and sent it back in the mail, and I got this a few weeks later. They spent $4.80 shipping it to me, and it's large. I was expecting something small, but first class mail. First class. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Okay, here we go. Oh, wow. That's a drinking vessel. And Portland Water Bureau, from forest to faucet. These are the fountains that we have downtown. They are continuously running, so there's not a push button or anything. You just walk up to it and drink out of the spout. And there's all those downtown. Now, they were installed back in the 20s during Prohibition, I think, or before Prohibition. And it was so people that were drinking and the bars closed at 2 a.m., they can get water from the street outside. But that is really cool. Portland drinking water. 5 refills for 1 cent. That's about what it costs to. Yeah, it's about 1 cent per gallon. Yeah. Now here is my test container. Okay, so it looks like I have to send. What else we got in here? Oh, this is to send back my sample. So they don't send the chemicals right away. I fill this with the water and send it in. Container number 1935. Plan for, collect, and return your water sample for lead testing. Okay, so they're basically giving out this kit so they can get samples from all over the city and then send it back to headquarters and figure out where there might be lead leaks or lead contamination coming into our water. We live right on the river, and I think we have mostly plastic piping. But if they're, let's say, a part of town that had a lead spill where lead is leaching into the ground and maybe the groundwater is mixing with the fresh water, they can determine that. So I fill this out, lead and water sampling information. So that's pretty cool. Alright, let's go fill up the bottle and send it off in the mail. Okay, here's the bathroom sink. It's good as any. So let's make sure we don't accidentally introduce lead in here from the paint. That's good enough. Well, top it off there. Okay. We'll put this lid back on. And now I need to fill out then what does it say here? Customer, please print your address below. On this thing? Okay. And I'll fill this all out. And then the sample goes in here. This is pretty cool. And then it goes in here. Did you fill out the sample information card? Failure to provide sample time, date, or location information will cause your sample to be rejected. Okay, so I'll fill this out now. But yeah, there's the. This gift is totally worth it. I'm glad I sent the note card in to get a test kit. And I'm one for loving toxic metals. I have lots of lead ingots that I've melted down. I know I have lead runoff from my soldering, and so I am the problem when it comes to lead runoff and mercury spills. And yeah, you can't always keep it contained. Sometimes you have a spill, and it's best to hose it down sometimes you do have to clean it up by hand. Different chemicals get under the table from old circuit boards and all that fun stuff. But there you go, the Portland Water Bureau. Hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.